Well, welcome to another entry into Dan's Beards Diaries. Happy holidays to you, and happy continuation of No Shave November. Okay, so this video is pertaining to a request that I've been getting quite frequently as of late via Instagram and via email: how to stay on track during the holidays. Now, this is a great question. Yes, we should indulge, and yes, we should enjoy time with friends and family. If we don't, we then start to feel deprived. And this is when depression can set in, and from there, binge eating, missing workouts, essentially completely falling off track. Now, how do we indulge and at the same time stay on track? First, plan ahead. For the most part, we know when these gatherings and get-togethers are gonna happen, so let's prepare for them. And saying you're going to stay on track, it isn't enough. We need to comprise a general game plan so that it will allot for us a little more freedom when it comes to participating in these festivities. In between social events, we can choose to eat a tad bit healthier. And no, I'm not saying we need to just have chicken or tilapia and asparagus. We just need to make a few healthier choices here and there. For example, instead of a steak dinner, have a chicken breast dinner. Or instead of having chicken nachos, go ahead and have lean ground turkey tacos. And I mean, you're not completely depriving yourself, you're just allotting yourself a little more leeway when it comes to joining the holiday festivities. Another option in regard to staying on track is to take out your regularly scheduled cheat days, or better yet, plan your cheat days according to the upcoming events. And when I talk about cheat days, I'm talking about cheat meals. And going further into a cheat day, it's not a complete cheat day. We still have to get a workout in. And because of our allotted carbohydrate intake that we've raised it for the day, and fat intake that we've raised it for the day because it is a cheat day, your cheat day should have your more intensive workout utilizing larger muscle groups such as legs or back. And this is because of the increased caloric intake for the day. You should be expending more calories during your workouts to kind of wash out that increase in your intake. In addition to this, something that I do personally, when I know that there's an upcoming event, I'll have fasted cardio scheduled the morning of the event, because for me, it just helps ease my mind of any guilt that may come about having that cheat day. Another great point that should come about is stay active. Get your workouts in early. That way, if something unplanned does happen to occur, which happens quite a bit during the holidays, you've already got your workout taken care of, so that again, it frees your mind of any potential guilt that may come about. And even if you don't get that early workout in, something is better than nothing. And what I mean by that is, you had an unexpected event come up, a 30-minute workout is better than no workout at all, or a 15-minute high-intensity interval training session will more than suffice to compensate for some of those calories that may come about that were unplanned for. Another key to staying on track during the holidays is don't use the holidays as an excuse to binge. As said before, yes, the holidays, you should enjoy them with friends and family and enjoy the fun and tasty food. However, no season should justify the concept of binge eating. Instead of seeking out food to consistently overindulge, practice the concept of mindful eating. And what I mean by the concept of mindful eating, really, and this may sound a little over the top, but pay attention to how the food tastes and how the food makes you feel. In essence, savor the flavor. Staying on the topic of eating, start the day off right. This essentially sets the tone for the rest of the day. Your breakfast, it should be well balanced and rich in protein. This will help with a sense of fullness until late morning till mid-afternoon. In addition to this, drink lots of water, and not just during the day, but also during the festivities, because this will help with overindulging. If temptation does arise, make healthier decisions. The more habit forming it will be, and this will help eliminate the temptations altogether. This ties directly into the next key concept in regard to staying on track, and that's avoid saving up for the holiday party or festivity or get together. And what I mean by that is don't starve yourself leading up to the event, because once you get to the event, you're just gonna go there and you're gonna overindulge and you're gonna stuff your face until you're sick. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues throughout the day, and like we were just discussing, make sure to make those healthier options to stay full. That way when you get to the party, you aren't starving and your mind is 100% there, and you can still make those healthier options, or not even make those healthier options. You can be mindful of the amount you're having of each of the individual food items. Go ahead, taste everything. You don't have to have a plate full of everything. So that's another thing. When you do get to the holiday party, you don't have to make 10,000 trips and fill up the plate each time, because then you're gonna feel sick. Just a couple bites here or there of everything you want to try should more than suffice. One last thing, and this might sound super cheesy, but we do need to remember something. We need to remember what the holidays are all about. And I hope for most of you, if not all of you, the holidays should be about having fun with friends and family, and also being thankful and grateful for what we have. With all that said, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace and happy holidays.